Today, we're exploring Kobe's Cabin, a brand new luxury getaway tucked away in the breathtaking Hocking Hills, Ohio. Stepping up to the exterior, the first thing that catches your eye is that sleek black metal siding. It gives the cabin such a bold, modern look, yet it blends beautifully with the surrounding trees. And then, just wait until you see the outdoor setup. There's a covered hot tub, yes, even on rainy days, you can still soak and relax. A grill area, and my favorite part, a swing bed. Can you imagine just laying here, listening to the birds, feeling the breeze? It's pure bliss. Now, let's head inside. Walking through the door, the first thing you notice is how warm and inviting this space feels. That rich leather couch, the earthy tones, the soft lighting. It's the perfect balance of modern and cozy. The open floor plan and high ceilings make the space feel bright and airy, while the large windows bring in plenty of natural light. And then, there's the kitchen. Wow! Those navy blue cabinets with gold accents. Absolutely stunning. Plus, you've got a full-size fridge, an oven, and plenty of counter space. So if you love cooking, you'll feel right at home here. Now, let's check out the bedroom. And let me tell you, this is where the magic happens. The queen-sized bed is dressed in soft, neutral tones, making the whole space feel calm and relaxing. But the real showstopper? These massive floor-to-ceiling windows. Just imagine waking up here. Sunlight pouring in, trees swaying outside, and the peaceful sound of nature all around you. It's like sleeping in the middle of the forest, but with all the comforts of a luxury retreat. Last but not least, let's step into the bathroom. And wow! Talk about a spa-like experience. Everything in here feels high-end, the sleek fixtures, the elegant finishes. It's the perfect space to freshen up after a long day of exploring, or just to relax before bed. This is what a luxury getaway should feel like. And that's a wrap on Kobe's Cabin. Seriously, this place is an absolute gem, modern, stylish, and perfectly tucked away in one of the most beautiful spots in Ohio. If you love tiny homes, luxury cabins, and unique getaways, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned, because we've got plenty more tours coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.